Hello and welcome to our broadcast tonight. This is Ken Heaston on air and the evening news. It's great to be with you this evening, and a pretty exciting thing here, making your own ebook using Google Apps. It is really easy and really free, and there are several good ways that you can share your ebook once you build it on Google Apps. So, what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of make a mock up little ebook, and so you can see how you might get started on your own. And we're going to do it using Google. And we'll go through. By the time we're done with this broadcast, I think you'll have a pretty good idea how you can make your own ebook and share it with the world. So let's get started. All right, now, so we are in our Gmail account, and let's just you go over here to the apps, and let's click down for more and go to the Docs app, and that'll open in a new window. And there's actually a couple of ways that you could do this. If you use Docs, that's going to be like a text document. Okay, so let's just create one here. And as you can see, it comes up and it looks just like Microsoft Word or something like that you might use to make a text document. For an ebook, what you want here on your first page is a nice image of an ebook. And if you haven't already gotten this information, you can get those made on Fiverr.com, and just go over to Fiverr.com. Now you're going to want to set up an account so that you can actually purchase, but just put in ebook cover. Right there it is. So ebook covers, we'll go in right there, and so you can find all kinds of gigs that for $5 they'll design a professional ebook cover. Okay, you can go in there, and it's a good idea to look at these reviews on Fiverr, see how many people have actually used this particular person. But this is a lot, almost 3,500 reviews. So you can usually see up here some of the ones that they've done. So it's a real good way to take a look at some of the other products that they've done for other people, and get an idea what you'd like your ebook cover to look like. So anyway, what you're going to get when they make this is you'll get an image file, and you can put that then right on the front of this document. So in order to create that document, you just start, and Google presentations here and documents saves as you go. So it's really nice. One thing that's nice about it is you can get to it anywhere you're at. As long as you can log on to the internet and log on to your Gmail account, you can work on your document. And then it's a good idea to title it, and it's titled here My Ebook, and you can save that. And so now that is going to be saved in as a document in your Google Docs. Now, one thing that I like to use is slides, and that is more like PowerPoint. If you've ever used PowerPoint, I like them because they're just really easy. But you can create a new slide presentation, and what I like about it is it has a lot of functionality. I really think that for an ebook, probably the best thing you could do is start with just a simple light and kind of go from there. Now, if you were creating this type of a document for your ebooks in a slide, you have quite a few different options you can use. If you once you select your theme, you can go in here to layouts, and you can actually create a layout. If you want to put an image on the front cover, blank's a good way to go. And Uh, so let's start out by we'll put in an image. And let's go just find, you would have an image created for the front of your ebook, but let's just go find one that we like here. Let's see. That's a good one. Okay, now you can resize this image, reposition this image, and once you have had your ebook cover made, you can then just plant it right on the front cover of your ebook. Now what we're going to do is start creating some extra pages. So let's just create new slide, and let's just use this layout for now, and we'll say this is introduction to my ebook. All right, and then we can go down here in the body, and ebooks are really the best if they include both text and images. So we could say I spent a lot of time writing my ebook, and so we're going to create some text here. We can resize this as much as we want, position it around any way we want, and then we can insert an image if we want. And so let's put an image in. Okay, there's a nice fruit bat image. So now we can just resize it so that it fits beside our text, and we can go on creating pages from there any way we want. Now let's just add a new slide. We can add a duplicate slide. If you really like the way your layout is, you can just add duplicate slides. Let's just add a new slide. I think that one of the coolest things about the Google presentation is you can include video right in your ebook. And how many ebooks have you seen that actually had video in them? Alright, so if you do that, then you can click here and let's insert video. Now this is a really good place to take a look at maybe if you have some videos that are put out by your team or your company that are safe to use. That's a really good way to go about it. Or you can upload your own videos and actually speak to people right out of your ebook. So that is a really fun thing that you could do. I am just going to put in a sample video here. I'm going to show this 45 cute dog tricks. So all you really have to do is find the video that you want, get the share link, and go back into your presentation, click on URL, and put it in. And it'll pull the video up for you. You select it, and in it goes. Okay? Position it the way you want it. So now you'll notice that when you put the video in the presentation as you made it this way, that it's just a thumbnail. Okay, it doesn't play, but I'll show you how to make that work here in just a minute. So let's add one more slide. Now when you create an ebook, what you're going to want to do is give people some really good information that will really help them. So we're going to act like we have created a a great big, really great ebook here, and this one only actually will have 4 slides, but it'll work any way that you make it. One thing that's really nice is if you don't like something about your ebook, if you go back in here in your Google presentation and make a change, then it's changed everywhere, and you don't have to worry about making changes in the PDF or anything like that. All right, we'll put a last page in here, and that'll be a 4-page ebook. Okay, now obviously you want your ebook to be much better and much larger than this, but this is just a demo. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at it first in Present right here. Okay, and let's go back. There's our first page, our second page, our third page, and our final page. Okay, and let's exit. Alright, and so now let's look at how we might distribute this ebook. Once we have made it, we got it pretty much like we want it, how are we going to distribute it? So let's go to File, and let's go Publish to the Web. And now make your content visible to anyone by publishing it on the web. You can link to or embed your document. Okay, so when you create a link for your document, you can set it up where it'll autoplay if you want. Now I really don't like that in particular for an ebook. I think it's better to leave it alone, but if you do that, you can start slideshow as player loads. Okay, and you can also restart the slideshow after the last slide. So let's publish. Okay, and now we have a link right there to our ebook, and once we have that, we can go out and we can share that link, and other people can see our ebook. Okay, now also let's look at embed. Here's the embed code, and we can select the size, and also we have the buttons on there that to start it when the player loads if we want to. So let's get that embed code and save that. Okay, now very good. Now let's open up a new browser here, and let's take a look at what that presentation would look like if we shared it with someone. We'll use this presentation link right here. Alright, it is loaded. And there is our ebook. Alright. And as you can see now, the video is actually ready to play inside our ebook. So this is really be exceptional if you created a small video for part of your ebook that you would like for people to see. You could talk to them while they read your ebook. Now another good way to use this is to use that link in an email. If you send out an email to people and include that link in it, they will be able to view your presentation just by clicking that link, and it will be in the form of an ebook. Now let's take a look at how we might use that on the web. Alright, I'm back on our Google Sites, our little test site that we've been working with, and I have made a page called Ebook. There's Home, About, and now there's a page called Ebook. So let's just click right in there, and let's insert from Drive, presentation, and let's pick the presentation that we made. And we can set some parameters. We can start it on page load if we want, and all that. We can pick the size that we'd like it to be. So let's just make it a middle-sized one and save. Alright, and now we're going to save our web page. And there it is. Now our ebook is planted right inside the web page of our Google site. And when we send people to our web page, they're going to be able to see and read our ebook. Now here's another fun thing. On this little gear right here, you can download as PDF. Okay, so if people like to save ebooks to their own drive, they can go to your ebook and download it as a PDF right from here. You don't even have to convert it to a PDF yourself. So this is a great way to get started in making your own ebook and getting it published on the web. I have noticed that if you send the link in an email, that when they click the link, it goes right into full screen presentation mode, and your ebook just looks great and it works great. So there's so many fun things that you can do by using Google Apps, and this took advantage of a couple of them, totally free and very professional. So this is Ken Heaston on air in the evening news. I hope you've enjoyed this broadcast, and if you get ready to make your own ebook, take a look at using these Google products because they are just perfect for what we do here in home business. So Ken Heaston on air in the evening news. Have a good evening.